Hi YouTube, welcome back to Wtf Rc Cars. So, carrying on with the NB4 radio bling, we've got a nice blue anodised top protector from the guys at Sky. This one will fit on any of the transmitters, so NB4, NB4 Plus, NB4 Pro, NB4 Pro Plus. And at the minute, the only radio I've got that hasn't got one on, that I want one on, is the original NB4 Pro. We fitted the blue anodised trigger, so let's see what this looks like on it. So if we have a look at what we get in the packaging, you've got the bit that goes on the front of the transmitter, the bit that goes on the back with the foaming, stop it all rattling. So first off, what I would do is start by getting the back in place. You're going to want a 2mm hex driver for these. I know the original NB4 Pro stuff uses a 1.5mm hex, but these are a 2. Does mean you're slightly less likely to round them off, but I'd loosely get them into place first. So once we've got them loosely in place, then offer it up to your transmitter, and again this will fit on any of the transmitters, so any from the original NB4 all the way up to the latest Pro Plus. Then we're going to want to get another screw in place, and then the final screw, and as you start to snug this down, it'll compress the foam that's in top and it'll take any rattle out of it. Nice to see that they come with that little bit of foam just under this top piece, because you don't want the protector rattling on your transmitter, because ultimately it'd then scratch it. Then we just nip them up, and there we have really nice protector. So again, from the guys at Sky, we have the nice aluminium throttle trigger and a nice aluminium protector. It'd be nice if they sent me one of them matching, but yeah, I don't mind. I like them looking a bit different. We've also got as original NB4 Plus with the Sky screen protector and the skin kit, and we've got the NB4 Pro Plus with a funky sticker kit on and as black anodised trigger, all from Sky. So yeah, quite easy to fit, quite nice, and I am seeing a number of these turning up at the local tracks now, and it's nice to just have a way of customising your transmitter to make it stand out. But yeah, quite happy with these, no rattles, they fit really nice, and if your transmitter gets knocked off a table and falls flat on a surface, it does hold your screen up. So it is nice to have a screen protector on, but if it's going to get bashed that way, it's nice to have this just to hold the transmitter up and stop it getting damaged. But link will be in the description below, so let's wrap this one up. So there we have it, the top alloy anodised protector from Sky. It fits really nice, it looks really nice. I really do like this blue colour. Be nice if we could get a trigger to match and everything, but yeah, at the minute we have a fully customised NB4 Pro Plus full sticker kit. That looks really nice, really happy with that. We have the full sticker kit and protector on the NB4 Plus from Sky, and now we've got the original Pro with an anodised trigger and an anodised top protector. So yeah, links will be in the description below if you like any of this stuff, but don't forget to like and subscribe, hit the notification bell, share to friends and family, and catch you guys again in the next one.